Hostwinds is a popular web hosting provider, but before you make the decision to buy, there are some crucial factors you need to consider. In this video, we're going to cover 12 things you should know about Hostwinds to help you make a more informed decision. Let's dive right in. The first thing to know about Hostwinds is their pricing. Hostwinds offers affordable plans with different tiers, but be aware that the low introductory prices may jump after your first term, which is common among hosting providers. Compared to competitors like Bluehost or SiteGround, their rates are pretty competitive, but it's essential to read the fine print. Next thing, let's talk about performance. Hostwinds offers fast speeds, with servers optimized for both speed and reliability. While their performance is solid, it's worth noting that bigger names like SiteGround or A2 Hosting tend to have more advanced technologies for speed and uptime. However, for most users, Hostwinds delivers excellent performance. The third thing is customer support. Hostwinds provides 24/7 live chat, email support, and phone support, which is crucial when you run into issues. However, reviews indicate that response times can vary, and some users report that support could be more helpful. In comparison, Bluehost support tends to be faster and more knowledgeable. The fourth thing you need to know is the range of hosting options. Hostwinds offers shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated servers. This flexibility means they cater to both small and large businesses. However, some competitors, like HostGator or A2 Hosting, provide more extensive options, particularly in managed hosting. The fifth thing is the ease of use. Hostwinds offers a user-friendly control panel, making it simple to manage your site. But if you're looking for something that's even more intuitive, you might want to check out SiteGround, which is known for its easy-to-use interface. Next thing, security. Hostwinds includes free SSL certificates with most plans, which is a solid feature. However, if you're comparing them to providers like SiteGround, you'll find that SiteGround includes more advanced security measures like daily backups and proactive monitoring. The seventh thing is the scalability. Hostwinds offers great scalability options with their VPS and dedicated hosting. If you're planning to grow your website in the future, this flexibility can be a huge benefit. Still, some competitors, like A2 Hosting, offer more advanced scaling options and faster server upgrades. The eighth thing is the 45-day money-back guarantee. Hostwinds offers a generous return policy, which is helpful if you want to test their service without a long-term commitment. This is better than some competitors like InMotion Hosting, which only offers a 90-day guarantee. The ninth thing to consider is their server locations. Hostwinds offers servers in the US, but if you need hosting in other regions, providers like Bluehost or SiteGround offer multiple global locations, which might be important for international audiences. The 10th thing is the website builder. Hostwinds offers a website builder, but it's basic compared to some competitors. If you want an advanced, user-friendly builder, you might want to look at companies like Wix or Squarespace, which offer superior website design tools. Next thing is the uptime. Hostwinds guarantees 99.9% uptime, which is standard in the industry. While they generally meet this uptime, some of their competitors, like A2 Hosting, boast 99.99%, which could be a deciding factor for mission-critical sites. The 12th and final thing is their support for WordPress. Hostwinds offers great WordPress support, but if you want a more optimized experience, providers like Bluehost or SiteGround offer managed WordPress hosting, which can save you time and ensure peak performance. To wrap up, Hostwinds is a solid hosting provider with affordable pricing, good performance, and decent support. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive hosting experience with better support and more advanced features, there are options like SiteGround or Bluehost that might suit you better. That said, if you want a hosting solution that's simple to use and backed by excellent support, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's the right fit for your needs.